what we've got here, it looks like a bit of a market. Oh, look at this horse. I wouldn't put him through me on his back. Probably break it. Right, now, when I came in, I saw about 3 big water tankers, and they were pulling water out the main part of Angkor Wat water supply, and it seems like it's to fill all these little ones. It's been pumped from the main road. Cool. Right, let's go and have a look at this market. See if I can get a bargain. Wear sunglasses that don't keep out the UV rays. Send you blind. There's one thing, you're safe when you're in places like this, because one, you get a ticket and it has your photo on it, and there's security all over the place. They take the temples very seriously here. Let's go and have a look at this. Here we go. No, thank you. No, thank you.
One didn't have tour guide. We tell you anything with the map.
No, thank you.
Hello, here.
No, thank you.
You want a hat, sir? I got a hat here.
I'm gonna have a look round.
Here, here the hat.
No, thank you.
Here, my hat. Sir, you have look my hat here.
Here.
Yeah, I'm
free
looking.
for looking, sir, please. Here, sir. Free for look.
You look, sir?
You look, sir?
I look silly in a hat. I look very silly. But thank you.
Sir, you want a hat?
No, thank you.
You want a shirt for you?
No, thank you.
You look inside my shop one here, sir. Cheap price for you.
I will come back and I will have a look.
Why? Why not now?
Because I'm taking film for YouTube. You're on YouTube now.
How about this one?
That looks lovely.
You get one from me opening myself.
How much is that?
This one make for you 15. Sir.
15?
$15. Yes, but I can discount for you. I have in your side. How much you pay? I discount. I want to opening
I
myself.
will come back.
Oh, right now because I want to opening myself. So
I'll bet you do, yeah.
I want to opening myself right now, not come back. Just one right now. I can make more discount for you.
I will come back in a bit. So I'm going to walk round again. So I want to have a look round. Yeah?
Thôi nạp đánh.
No, thank you.
Ôi kìa đánh hai.
I've got a friend, look.
Okay, you get one right now. Offer. Cheap price. Okay, do for you 12. $12.
How many?
12.
$12?
How much?
I will think about it.
Ôi, buy right now. Okay, 10, one more price. I do for you 10.
That's very kind, $10.
Yeah, I do for you 10. I want to opening myself.
Yeah, well, I'll come back.
Oh, you see, I want you to buy right now. Why you should come back?
I will come back and have a look.
Come back also, you not come back to that way.
Of course I will. I'm a man of my word.
Are you sure, mister? Mister, are you sure?
Yes, very sure.
Hey, from me, sir.
See you in a minute.
If you like, come back, man.
With the fan.
No, thank you.
Something else.
I'm sure she just called me a fat man. That wasn't very nice, was it? Mind you, she's probably right.
Look something inside.
No, thank you.
Free for looking. Have a look. You want a drink?
Now, usually you're safe when you've got a camera because as soon as they see the camera, they don't want to know. What they don't realise is, I suppose, mind you, it's Western mentality. If they don't pester you, then you'd probably have a look round and buy something. There's some right nice stuff though. Pity I don't have a house, innit? God, it's so hot, the sweat's just dripping off me. Anyway, that's the market bit. I'm going to switch you off again and have a walk over to that.